Hi everyone. Today we're going to write a procedure telling someone how to make a jam sandwich. You can use your plan from yesterday to help you with your writing today. Can you remember the 3 things that we need to include when we write a procedure? That's right, we need a title, materials and steps. So at the top of your working from home book, you're going to write the title. The title is going to be How to Make a Jam Sandwich. Make sure you've got capital letters because it's a title. Once you finish your title, the next subheading is going to be materials. Under materials, you need to think about everything that you need to make a jam sandwich. So we need bread, butter, jam, and a plate. Under materials, you need to draw a picture of all of the things you need to use to make a jam sandwich. Once you've drawn your pictures, you need to label your pictures. So I've got my pictures here already. I've got bread, butter, jam and a plate. You might even also want to add in there a knife. Once you've written your title and your materials, the next part of our procedure is steps. I've got a capital S because it's a subheading. The steps describe step by step in order how to make a jam sandwich. When you write the steps, try and use a verb as the first word in your sentence. Remember, a verb is a doing word that we learned about last week. I'm only going to show you how to write 1 step today. When you do your writing, try and aim for 5 steps. In our steps, we need to make sure we number each step. So your first step is going to be numbered number 1. I need to think about what I'll be telling someone if they have never made a jam sandwich before. So my first step would be to take out 2 slices of bread and place them on a plate. I've got a capital letter at the start of my sentence and I've got a full stop at the end of my sentence. The very first word in my sentence is take. That's my verb, that's my doing word. See if you can have a doing word at the start of your sentences. Remember, try and aim for 5 steps in your writing today. Once you've finished your procedure, reread your work to make sure it makes sense. Once you've finished, you might want to give your procedure to a family member. I wonder if they can make a jam sandwich for lunch by following your procedure.